Hello, welcome back in Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today we're gonna continue with our skill tree and I'm gonna show you how to add attributes, how to increase them. So from my other video where I create a start system, now we're gonna add attributes and we're gonna increase it. So when you unlock skill, you're gonna press on the tree to unlock the skill. You're gonna upgrade attributes, and that's gonna give you more health or more stamina or more attack, anything. But first we're gonna fix some issue. So if anyone watched my last tutorial when I make tab menu, so that's how it works. But something doesn't work, like we don't have a tooltip here, or when I reset it doesn't reset this. So the issue is that before we're creating our widget from third person character, but now I change it and we do it inside component. So it's like main menu component. So what we have to do, we gonna remove that. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our component manager, DPI component manager. We're gonna add new output. Will be main menu component, and it's there, or this one. Save, and then we have to go in our third person character, which is yeah. We already added here. So yeah, so if you don't want to add this tab menu, then you don't need to change anything. It's just for people who added tab menu or want to add tab menu. You have to follow it. So we go on our interface. Why is it not update? Oh my god, I'm moron. Now we need to add new function. We need to add new function. Get. Okay, and now. Okay, at least it's here already. Yeah. Okay. I don't. Sorry, it's very late. It's very late. It's like 1 a.m. I don't think I know how I'm doing. But okay. So yeah. So now we go back here and we go right here. And what we just want to do, connect it. Then we go back in our skill slot. And from third person character, not really. We don't need to cast anymore to third person character. We can if you want to get character reference, but you can do exactly same method. You can get the third person character reference from here and have it here stored already. But yeah, so we gonna, let me turn it off. We don't need it anymore. I don't think we need this one anymore. Okay, I'm gonna remove it because I don't need it. But what I need is get main menu component. Okay, once I have it, I'm gonna promote it to variable, and from this I'm gonna get skill tree menu. 1 second. I was thinking what I was doing wrong, but obviously in main menu component we're creating main menu, so we have to first get reference to it, and then we can get skill tree menu. We connect it here, and now I believe most of the things should work. And I go here. Okay, our tooltip work and our reset work. And yeah, it's all fixed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But we're not getting points back. Yeah? 1 second. Why did I not get points back? There's still some error. Ooh. Okay, why is that? I can. That shouldn't have problem. Ah, now I got skill tree component tag. We're getting tag. Which all should be good. We didn't change anything here. No skill tree. Let's go from completely different. Go from completely different place. Ooh. I came not ready. I see. So what's the issue? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. But it doesn't reset. But it's reset here. Okay. It doesn't reset here. Okay, I found a problem. So the problem is there's no problem. Problem is I don't have another branches set properly. I remember in last episode, I say last or previous one before when I was doing it, I say I'm gonna do it in free time, but I forgot to do it. And yeah, I was gonna do it before I start recording, but I was quite busy and yeah, and didn't. I forgot about this. So I just checked it, and that's why it didn't work. But yes, everything worked fine. Reset. So one more thing, I will one day. Actually, no. I thought there is mistake. So when you reset, you see it doesn't update till you take your mouse away. I'm gonna fix it one day as well. But not for now. If you like this kind of tab menu, there will be the link in description. Okay, so now when you got all this set, all the reference, or you don't because you don't go for tab menu, we can start. But first, just let you know, yeah, you think maybe like, oh, you don't even know what's going in your project. It's because I'm working on the game. I got some game project, and all this skill tree and any other things I'm gonna add, it's from this my game project. Is the thing I learn and I wanna share with you. So for example, this not tab menu, because tab menu I made before I even started on my original project. I started before I even start the ability, like a skill tree. So that's why now I'm doing it. I was trying to figure out what's wrong. I was stupid. I didn't realize. I didn't done all the branches. I was shocked. Why these branches didn't work? But I was quick. I quickly realized. But yeah. So yeah. So like this, for example, this one I'm gonna show you now, the ability upgrade. I just done like a week ago in my game project, and I'm just sharing it with you guys. But yet, let's start it. Let's start tutorial. Okay, so to start, first of all, if you watch my stats tutorial, so you know what is it. If you didn't, I recommend to do it. Um, but you don't have to. You can have your stat system to connect it. You just need to figure out your way of increasing your stats. I'm just gonna show you how can you do it in a skill tree component, and if you got different system, you have to figure it out. But that's kind of point of if you wanna make games and if you wanna learn Unreal Engine, you need to figure out things sometimes on your own. I can only show you things, but if it doesn't work with your system, you have to find a way. But yeah, anyway, if you watch it, you see that some new things here. So basically add attribute system, status attribute system from YouTuber called MrButier. I think that's how you pronounce it. There'll be a link in description. So now go watch his stat system tutorial and then come back. But you don't have to. It's only if you want work exactly like my. It's just I'm recommend a guy. It's very good tutorial. He's make quite a few tutorials. I watched like two, this one and one more. But it's very good system. With this, you can increase your attributes. You can increase your stats separately. If you increase attribute stats, increase straight away. It's like you can set up, for example, each. If you got each attribute point, your health going by 50 or 20. It's very good modular. But yeah. So first thing we wanna do to connect it with my stat system. I'm doing with my stat system. Probably you could do it just what he created, and you don't really need my stat system. But as I say, I'm making game and it's work with my damage system. This stat system. That's why I connected. Kind of make it into one. But yeah. So what we wanna do first, we wanna make new function and set active stat. So that's basically it's to connect my skills, my stat system with his attribute stat system. So it's work. It's gonna update my stats like health and stamina and whatever I got. So what I wanna get stats. I wanna get stat list. And once you got stat list, you wanna switch on it, and then whatever you got. There's all different stats, and all I want to do is just I want to update my stats. So we look into, we got health and we got stamina. Yeah. So what you wanna do, you wanna get your health, and then you want to connect with max health, and you wanna get stat value. You choose what is total. So basically you can choose bonus. You can, when you make armor, then you want it, that armor at the bonus. So it's as the bonus bonus stat. You can add it and it's gonna add it to all the total. It's worked very well. It's very good system. 100% recommended. So yeah, we're gonna do like this, and that's how we set our max health. And then we're gonna get normal health. Yeah, not this button. And then we also gonna do same. Oh no. Hey, I didn't mean to do it. And just choose health. And then we're gonna do stamina. That stamina. Copy that. Use stamina. And then we do stamina recovery, regeneration. It's exactly same. Copy too many times. I don't need to copy, keep copying. I copy it once, it should be right. I keep copy. Wait, that's so messy. This one go more down, this one is here, and then we get max stamina. And I got max stamina, I connect it, do it here, and then we get this. Stop copying it. Now I copy wrong one. The first time when I copied it, I shouldn't keep copying it. And then we got max stamina, and that's how we set it. So basically that's a one function, and you want to put this function in here. So whenever we're scaling attributes, you want it added here. And then and then what you want to do is connect it with you want to connect it with local start. And now it all should work. Okay, so now you want to open blueprint component skill tree. So messy to be honest. So get skill point. Let's make it skill point. Want to organize it a little bit. Check skill points. That's 3 of them, and then it'll be skills. Oh, whatever you wanna name it. All the skill related. Put here. I'm gonna create a new one, and I'm gonna add attribute. And what you wanna do here? You want to get level. You're gonna put level, and that's an integer. And you wanna put data asset. So that's and that's gonna be our DA skill. What am I doing? Oh my god, DA skill. Okay, that's what you want to do. And then you want to get owner, get component by class. Make sure you get component, not component. You want one component. And you want to choose our BBC start system. And from this, you want to call modify attribute. Where's modify attribute? But you can do the same with stats. So if your skill tree unlocking more stats, like you get 100 plus 100 health, you can do it with the stats. But I'm showing you how to do with the attributes. So from here, we're gonna get tire. What did I name it? Level. Get level. Yes, get level. And then we're gonna find. And we're gonna find which level is it. And then once you find the level, you wanna get to value. And then you wanna always add, it's gonna be add, so you wanna add it. And attribute. So what we need to do, another thing, we need to go into our data skill, and we want to add new thing, and that's gonna be attribute. Now we're gonna see if we got any attribute. So basically just checking if you got attribute on your thingy. So let's go with vitality, and it's gonna, if your ability doesn't have attribute, just choose none. But any ability that is attribute related, you choose chooses here. And then what you do, you go back here. We can close that. Then we get attribute. So the skill is gonna have attribute, it's gonna add to this attribute, and it's gonna go to default. And it's gonna use it as default value. You know how you got attributes. So you say you got level 3, so that default level. Then you're adding to it, you 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 you got bonus, for example, from armor bonus. You're wearing that and you're getting bonus. So that's how it's kind of work. At least that's I think in my head. So, okay, so once you have it, what you want to do, you want to open, we're gonna do unlock skill. And in unlock skill, what you want to do, you want to, okay, so now what we're gonna do, after the branch, you want to add skill or attribute. No, that's not what we're gonna do yet. No, so we add attribute. Okay, then we're gonna remove attribute, sorry. So we're gonna probably duplicate it and say remove. We remove attribute, and then what we wanted to do, we want to do exactly same, but we want to subtract it. So we're just gonna subtract it, and that everything should be same, I believe so. Yeah. And then another one you wanna do, we wanna add skill. So you're gonna do add skill. So this function is gonna be more like adding all different kinds of all different types of skills. So what we're gonna do first, we wanna go to enums and we wanna add we're gonna name it like skill type. We're gonna enum skill type, or you can name it whatever you want, as always. Be creative. So I always put none just in case, and let's put attribute. Hope I spell it right. I think it's so smart I cannot see, but I think I'm saying right. Okay, so attribute, then you can put like, for example, health, flask, and then you can put I don't know, power, or whatever. You can add anything you like. I'll have it this for now. So go back here. We're gonna put again data asset. Then we're gonna put level. Then we're gonna, what am I doing here? Then we're gonna put new level. Because each time we upgrade our in skill tree, for example, we upgrade our skill, we want to check it and update. But I'll show you in a second how to do it. But what you wanna do, you get now you see we should, to be honest, we should go in data asset, it's got vitality again, and now we need to first of all you need to add what we want to do. We want to add type, maybe that's what I name it, and it's a skill type, and that's how it's gonna define what is it, and we're gonna get skill type. We're getting type, and we're gonna switch. We're gonna switch on that type. So now, or should be honest, set it up here. So type is attribute. Go back. So now, wherever we know it's gonna find out, the system gonna find out what you upgrade, and it's gonna tell here, and it's gonna say it's attribute. Okay. So we know one thing is attribute. So we want to remove attribute first. So we're gonna remove points because of so basically, so you add the first time, yeah, it's fine. So if a level 0, it's not gonna do anything first, yeah, in the first time. But for example, then you getting 1 second, get, let me finish that and I talk. Where's the get data? Oh, here. And then let's say you do it second time. So it's gonna remove it. So if you're on level 2, it's gonna remove that 2 levels and it's gonna add 3 levels here. Because how the system add is just adding. It's not updating value, it's adding. So if you just keep adding, you know what I mean, if you press first level, it would add 1. Then on second level, add 2, but it will be 3. That's why we're first removing, and then we first removing and then we adding each time you press the bottom of upgrade. And that's how it works. So now we got it sorted. So we believe, no, we cannot try it yet because we need to go to unlock skill. And in unlock skill, we go our branch 1, the testing branch. And we're gonna do add skill. So you go add skill. And then now what you want to do, you want to connect the data. It's so messy. Like, I recommend you to make it more clean. For me, it's just I'll just leave it at this. Right. So what you do, your current level, you connect to the level. The new level is +1, and that's how it works. Yeah. So it's now what level is now, so you know what to remove, and it's +1. The current level that's gonna be saved, it's gonna add it, and I believe it's everything now. But to test it, obviously, we need some kind of check. So when we go in the stat system, let's open it and let's get value. So we get attribute value first. So be total or be of vitality, and we want to print it. Yeah. So it's 1, as you see. But now, where's the vitality? All right. Oh, you see, it's update. It doesn't update as I want. Okay, I found a mistake. So when we add attribute, we want to use new level. So new level. So that was my mistake. Just copying. I didn't look at this. Now you see we got this thingy, and then we go here. Then 1, 2, 3, boom, it's working. But when we reset it, it's still 4. So what's now? Now we have to reset it and reset all the child. Yeah. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna reset first the skill, and then we're gonna reset child. So we're gonna, where is it? I'm blind. Reset skill. So we're gonna go reset skill. In reset skill, we're gonna do remove skill, but we don't have remove. We don't have remove. We don't have remove skill thingy. Hey, yeah. Remove skill. Yeah. When you remove skill, you just remove it. So that's how it's gonna work. Boom, boom, remove. Your current level. What you wanna do, you wanna go to reset skill, add it here. So let's say before child, you're gonna add this, and you're just gonna get your current level. You don't need new level. That's sorry. That's all we need. It's just reset current reset level. So to be honest, you don't need it as well. Yeah, that's gonna look better. Yeah, so that's all you need to do. But then you also need to do it for your child. So in child, what you want to do, you want to do exactly the same thing. You're gonna get this. That's so tight. You're gonna get your current level and you want to do your data. And now when you go in, you do it, you do like, oh yeah, update my level, and then it's all reset. And that's how it's work. Boom. And as you see, it's connect to my health. Yeah, it connect to my health. So if we, yeah, where is my, if we install that, we're gonna call for health. I'm gonna call string, it's 100, yeah. And we're going to know that doesn't update now. Okay. So something doesn't work with that now. Okay. So the problem was there was some mistake I done when I was transferring this attribute system from my original project. But now when you see, that's our max health. Now delete it, go back, boom, go back. And it depends on how did you set it up. For me, it's give 10. Yeah, so that will be it. I believe so. As you see, we got this. Look how cool is it. Yeah, see, it's gonna open. It's open on the page that you left. So I recommend you to check out this tutorial for the tab inventory. I recommend you to subscribe if you like video, so you can see another video when it's come out. Like video to show me that you like it, and you can comment, tell me if I done something wrong, any ideas, suggestion, maybe some tutorial I could make. Yeah, I can check if you got some requests. I can check if I can do it, and if I learn, I will do it. But yeah, so for now we see everything work. The abilities go up. Then we press, it's crashed. I don't know why it's crashed. But yeah, but as you see, it's work. Why did you crash on this? Oh, it didn't crash now, but there was some crash. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Next episode, I'm gonna do simple ability system, and then I'm gonna do like ability that you can use, and then after that, I'm gonna make episode that I'm gonna make this ability unlockable when you press. Yeah. But yeah, guys. If you got any question, just ask, and I see you next time.